Welcome to You Fix It Garage. I'm Rusty, and this is your 60-second tip of the day. If you're like me, you sometimes struggle with lifting your bike up onto your maintenance stand. Well, I'm going to show you a trick today. We'll make that chore a lot easier. You're going to need a spacer. I used 3 pieces of 2x6 and I just nailed them together. Position your spacers in front of your kickstand and then position your maintenance stand somewhere to the rear of where you want it and just a little bit out of the way. With everything in place, just rotate the bike towards you, roll it forward, turn your handlebars all the way away from you, and now you can lift the bike with one arm. If your bike is like mine and it's a little too heavy on the rear, take yourself a screwdriver and just tilt the bike forward, put the screwdriver underneath your stand, and now your rear wheel is off the ground. To get the bike off of the stand, leverage it back up onto the kickstand and the rear wheel, pull your maintenance stand out of the way, and then roll off of your blocks. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful and it saves your back a little bit of work. If it does, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more quick tips or mods or DIY projects in general. You guys have a great day.